I am Arvind and my wife Nalini. We both came here after consulting few other eye hospitals. Having come here, we found it very good interaction with doctors and the staff. So we decided to go ahead and do the operation. And that counseling, everything went on well. They explained everything well. And first I did my left eye, she did her right eye. I told to do both eyes same day, but doctor refused. They told 1 week minimum time they require actually. After 1 week, second eye also was operated, and post-operation the service was fantastic, no issues. We came here and we did that, putting the drops and all very systematically. We are doing it, still doing it. And finally, today is the last day. I will tell special thanks to Dr. Samina.